shall we do with the sober sailor? What shall we do with the sober sailor?
I call you when I need you, when my heart's on fire. You come to me, wild and wired. You come to me and give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises, a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. It can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. Stuck in your heart, I hang every word you say. Tear us apart, I'd rather be dead. In your heart I see the start of every night and day. In your eyes I get lost, I get washed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be in a better place. You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. I'm stuck in your heart, I hang every word you say. Tear us apart, I'd rather be dead. Na 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 na. Simply the best. Oh shit, eh? You're simply the best, better than all the rest, better than anyone I've ever met. Stuck on your heart, I hang every word you say. Rather be dead. So here's the propeller shaft at the shop, Rodnicki Industrials, and we are about to shorten the shaft. Nice. I guess I can keep that in for a souvenir. Put on the mantle. Pretty straight? Okay. Just fine tuning. Nice, it's just doing its thing. Beauty. So theoretically that should be a nice keyhole.
That's it.
Yeah.
Theoretically. So this is going to be, yeah, this is going to be better.
Oh yeah, that feels better.
There we go. Okay, you good with that? Or a
Yeah.
little more?
Just maybe like a half a mil there. That's probably good. It's probably as good as it gets, eh?
The end of this coupler, it looks like something might have
Got in there.
breached it.
Oh, for the rust?
No, it looks like it's mushroomed.
Oh.
Like somebody might have been at one time or other hammered on it
Oh, I see. From the inside.
from the inside. That's why it's tight. That's why
Oh,
it
I
won't
see.
go any further.
Oh, I see. I think that's pretty good. That's well within tolerance.
Okay,
Yeah.
everything's nice and snug.
Yeah. The shortened bit we cut off. We're recreating these divots for the set screws now. The key has been made. There it is. All out of the shop and shortened. We'll see how it fits in just a moment. Back from the machine shop, we shortened this guy. It's called a prop shaft. So today what we're going to do is going to pull that coupler off the pulley and then work on the stuffing box just like that. Removed. Real easy. See how easy that was? Okay, on to the next thing. I'm gonna go inside and pop the hood, I guess you would call it, and start working on the stuffing box. Well, I'm glad I went and bought the size smaller because it fit, and it fit really well. I had to kind of push it on pretty hard, but you know, I'm not that strong, and I was able to do it. Whereas these guys, this one's just a little too loose. Yeah, we just cut it to length. I did a little bit longer than the original by like a few millimeters. I think that's fine. Looking good. So in situ, or if this all assembled with the shaft through it, you could pull this apart in the boat, and then obviously this should be along the shaft, and you kind of open it up and you look through, and there's like this, the packing with the flax, right? So what you do is you take a pick and you like kind of pick at it, but since we have it all out, might as well do it here. But all I did was kind of jam my screwdriver here, and I should be able to take it out with my hand. So this, guys, is what seals up the boat from water seeping around the prop shaft and flooding your boat and sinking. It is designed to let in a little bit of water as it turns. just down the bilge, but looks like they put 3 wraps in there. So I think that's as clean as I'll get it. Probably a lot better job I can do in situ. Woo. I've been trying to put it in the boat end and I am so tired. I can't fit it in. It's just too fucking big, which is kind of funny. I've concluded that this is too tight, so I'll go upsize. Alright, this should go in a lot easier now. I just definitely need clamps, which I don't have. Here goes. So just like that, it's in. It's not clamped obviously, so I'm going to put the prop shaft in. This one doesn't have a lock wash. It will get one. Just working what we have right now. So just going to butt this up. The 17. And then tap the end there to, and then tap the end of the prop shaft with the hammer and some wood to lock it in and put the lock nuts in. We should be good. So we tapped it with the ball peen hammer and a piece of lumber. It's gone in. Now it looks good. Let's have a look here. I think that's dead on. I got new ones which we should use, but we'll need to tap a little hole in the new ones. So I have the new ones out so I can do that. And that's to put a wire through them. So you don't, it's just extra, and tie them together through a wire. It's just extra safety. They do that in aviation too, apparently. Okay, they're just temporary in there for now. I'm just gonna go look at the back. Let's put the sacrificial anode on. Just gonna kind of slide this. Just trying to figure out what the less tapered end is. I think that's it. Just slide that sucker on. Oh yeah, I think I did that perfect. So if I get that plastic out. Well, I don't care about this. I can probably just get a smaller anode, but I think it'll fit with that end regardless. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So that should clear the giant ass fucking rudder. So I just put the propeller shaft in, snugged it up with the calcium nut. Haven't put the cotter pin in yet, but I'm just leaving it there so don't forget. The anode actually does fit on there, but I'm going to leave it out because if there's any shift, I want some play just in case it needs to go back a little during any accidents, so it doesn't jam up against the cutlass bearing there. But yeah, it looks good. Looks good. I'm pretty happy with that. So pretty good day today. Engine's still aligned. Prop shafts in.